Well, good morning, birders. Today we are out at Blue Hole, and as some of you may have heard, it is closed sadly to the general public, but they gave me permission to come out here and record a little bit of bird video so y'all can at least kind of see what's going on out here. So I'm basically the only person out here today. Lots of birds singing. Still doing the whole social distancing thing, and they said as long as I wear a mask or something, people say you should be safe. So, well, I'd say I'm ready to go birding. Alright, let's go see what birds we can find. It's a nice day, the birds are singing, there's some summer tanagers up in the trees, ticking away. I've got the Cardinals, of course, are always around, and we've got the melodious song of the chainsaws in the background. It's a nice day to be outside. Yeah, there's the summer tanager sitting up in a tree. Get a little look at him. This is the male. He's bright red. The female is more yellowish, but still a uniform color. And don't confuse the male with a cardinal, because they are similar in color, but summer tanager does not have a crest, and the beak shape is much different. The cardinals have that conical bill shape, while the tanagers have that more extended bill shape. So different shape to the bird, different shape to the beak, but just don't be thrown off that you see a red bird and automatically think it's going to be a cardinal. Cardinals are having a little disagreement over here. They just flew down in a little ball of feathers. One male cardinal there, and the other one's over here somewhere. Yeah, there he is. And there's our Carolina Wren. You can see its nice white eyebrow if he would stick his head out from behind the branch. There he is. But you can still tell that it is a Carolina Wren because of how buffy the breast is and how more reddish brown the back is. If it was a Buick's Wren, it would be much more grayish white on the breast, and the back would be more grayish brown. Oh, he's singing for us. Nice little song. Great big voice, little tiny bird. It's not a bird. There's some more wildlife. Squirrels are still around here. Oh. I think I may have just heard the golden-cheeked warbler up here. It'd be nice to see if he's come back for another year. And I'm hearing painted buntings off over to the right. That's probably out in the athletic field. So we'll see if we can find this warbler first, and then we'll go try and get a look at the painted bunting. That's a gorgeous bird. Oh, there he is. You can hear him singing. That's the golden-cheeked warbler. Bzz, 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 bzz. And yep, he's just in the same little area of the park where I've seen him for previous years. Glad to see that he has returned. Let's see if we can get a look at him. And there he is. Happy little warbler. Well, I'm glad he's actually somewhere visible. This is a male. As I've talked about in previous videos, he's got a black throat and black all down the back of the head with a dark line through the eye. And the warbler flew off. Yep, he's further back in there, kind of staking out his territory. So So thank you, Golden Cheek, for being so nice and cooperative first thing in the morning.
Well, here we've got a nice little Lark Sparrow. Giving a nice little song, hopping around. And of course up in the tree here, mockingbird. Giving a whole variety of songs. Doing a scrub jay, doing a bluebird, Scissor-tailed Flycatcher. He's got a whole repertoire. Off he goes. Now here is our Buick's Wren. A little backlit.
He's a little more slender than the Carolina Wren. Grayer on the breast. But still got that same nice white eye line.
He's carrying food. He's probably got a nest somewhere around here. We are right on the playground. Plenty of little holes and crevices for a wren to build a nest in.
Scissor-tailed Flycatcher fly by. Beautiful bird when he's not flying away into the sun. Oh, and I'm hearing a clay-colored sparrow over here. Thought most of them should have been gone by now. Yeah, that's him. Buzz, buzz, buzz. See if we can get a look at him.
And there he... Wait, no, that's a house finch. Female. Very stripy down the breast. Looks similar to a sparrow, but very different bill. That clay-colored sparrow is still up there, very nearby though. Oh, there he is. Well, that's him. He's pretty blocked, but you can hear him. You can see him. See that really contrasty malar stripe that's kind of like a mustache coming down with a really light colored throat. Looks very similar to a chipping sparrow. He's fairly closely related. Going to be a bit more buffy. And the dark line that extends through the eye doesn't go in front of the eye. In a chipping sparrow, they have dark behind and in front of the eye. And this guy, he only has dark behind the eye. It's a little bit darker, but it's not a definite dark like in a chipping sparrow in front of the eye. And he doesn't have as noticeable of an eye ring. You should be gone by now, heading back north. Don't you know it's migration time? Maybe he's just social distancing as well from the other sparrows.
Slightly unusual, common grackle. They're fatter bodied and shorter tailed than the usual great-tailed grackles we see around here, and they give a different call note when they fly by.
Oh! Oh, there he goes, red-shouldered hawk.
And there's the painted bunting.
And he actually flew right over here to us. That was nice of him. Really beautiful, colorful bird. All red down the breast, blue on the head, green on the back. The female is not quite as colorful. She's almost solid green, but it is a fairly bright colored green. So next to the male, she's not as striking. She's still a very beautiful bird to see. Kind of a greenish to yellowish green. So watch for her on your feeders as well. Both of these will... male and female buntings will come into your feeders if you put out seed.
And it's getting warm. The turkey vultures are up and about. Always check with turkey vultures. Make sure they've got a red head. If you see a yellow beak or yellow feet, you may be looking at a zone-tailed hawk. Like this little guy I saw a couple days ago.
Now this summer tanager is a young male, which has a history of throwing off a number of bird watchers. because they are not solid red. Young summer tanagers are yellow, like a female. But then when they molt in breeding season into their adult plumage, they don't do it all at once. So they get patchy yellow and red, and a lot of times they'll have yellow on the neck and on the back while still having the red head, which can make people think Western Tanager. Now, it's uncommon around here, but it could possibly be a Western Tanager that you're seeing. But make sure, if you see a funky-looking multicolored Tanager, it's not just a young, molting summer Tanager. Here, we have an orange-crowned warbler, very briefly.
Now, singing up here, we have a Nashville Warbler. Very beautiful warbler, all very yellow all down the breast, on the back. He's got a gray hood. Sometimes you can see a reddish patch on the top of his head, and he's got a big white eye ring. Been hearing them all over the place this morning, but they're hard to get a good picture or video of.
Nashville Warbler again.
Now right here by the entrance, we've actually got counter-singing golden-cheeked warblers. And here, there's one up there, and the one we were looking at earlier is responding back over there. Very nice. I think the warblers might be enjoying the lack of people coming through here this time of year. They're having a great time. There's a fish. Nice clear water. Let's see if we can track down some of these birds we're hearing up here. There he comes. I think that was a chickadee.
There's the female summer tanager in a little tick-tick call. Let's see, yeah, she's nice and yellow instead of red like the male. And I'm hearing a yellow-throated warbler singing right over my head as well.
There's Blue Hole, nice and clear and calm and empty. No people to be seen. It's quite nice. Oh, whoa! I think that was a barred owl. Let's get a look.
Yeah, there he is. Barred owl. Gorgeous bird. That's something you don't get to see every day. Hey, dude. Just hanging out down here at Blue Hole. Gorgeous look at the barred owl. You can really even see the barring down the breast. Round head is a good way to tell it's not a great horned owl. And it's, of course, much larger than the screech owls that we would see around here. And this is the usual barred owl habitat. They're like these tall cypress trees right along low creek areas and wet areas. Come out at night, you might start hearing them do their "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you all?" calls. I think he's going back to sleep. Oh, he's still watching me.
So we had another great day out here birding. Saw some really cool birds. Hard to beat an owl as the last bird of the day. But I'll be posting a few other videos leading up to May 9th, World Migratory Bird Day, since we're not able to have our planned celebration out here. Oh, and I just heard another golden cheek. But yeah, so I will be posting the eBird lists down in the description. You can see all the birds I saw out here today down there, even the ones I wasn't able to catch on video. But until next time, I will see you later, birders.